We're driving across the country today. Wish us luck. Hey Siri, get directions to Vero Beach, Florida.
Getting directions to Vero Beach.
33 hours, 2,404 miles.
Let's do it. Pups that are ready to go on a potty break.
We're already 6 hours in and everyone's doing great, right, Mr. Raleigh and Miss Maple? On to Florida.
So we have been driving for the last 30 hours.
Yeah.
We have 2 more hours to go before we arrive in Vero Beach.
We've made great time.
And call us crazy. We planned on like splitting it up into like 3 days.
Yeah, 3 or 4 days.
We're like, we'll stop when we feel tired, but we were driving and we're like, screw it, we're pulling an all-nighter. So
Drove straight through last night.
So we are almost to our new home in Vero Beach.
Feels so weird to be back.
We're ready. We're ready to move in. Ollie, welcome home, buddy. Welcome home, mates. Good morning. So we have arrived in Vero. We got here last night. And today we came over to our new house. This is
hot.
it. It's very,
It's
very hot.
very hot.
We had to come over here to meet the fence guy and the window guy. And the previous owners were inside moving, so they let us come in and like see it. And it was so weird to see it empty. And it's just been so cool to like walk around the property. And like now we can really start envisioning what we want. Like we are so freaking excited.
48 hours until we get the keys.
The countdown really begins. It's been like 3 months, but
Do you guys want to come see my movie theater?
look how cute. Look how cute. No, we'll do that later. But this is just like, we're here. Like, so glad we drove through the night. Like, just to get here, get it done.
We're going to have to get these weeds out.
So good morning. Today is like, I think 2 days before we officially move in.
Wednesday, July 13th.
It's Wednesday, July 13th. Yesterday we didn't do much. We just met the fence guy. Today we went to breakfast. We walked across the street to
Found
a vintage.
the best coffee ever.
Yeah, ooh, good coffee here. I'm very happy about that. But we walked across the street to Vero
Antique
Furniture.
store.
Yeah, it's a collector's,
Really nice
or what's the
antique
word? Curated.
Yeah, collection of antiques.
Collection of antiques. There's
This-
different vendors.
We found something for my office, the first piece. This is made in Italy, God knows when.
Wait, really?
Yeah, and look, it's like all
Oh, cool.
and like pirate ships. It's a
Yeah.
globe, and then it's also a bar.
So for people that don't know, there it is. There's the bar. Sir loves pirates, so we're gonna do like kind of a nautical vibe in his office. So that's gonna go in there. But today's gonna be a fun day. The house is getting cleaned by cleaners, and we're gonna go over there and just like brainstorm and just look at it. And I can't believe we're moving here, but there are so many cool pieces at this vintage store. Let me show you. The globe, that's already coming with us.
I'm in love with this.
I love this piece. I think this is a really cool sideboard. You can definitely tell this is a vintage piece. This is not like a new piece that's been worn. This is absolutely stunning. So that's really cool. I'm gonna keep that in mind. And then Sawyer loves this desk, so he's gonna keep that in mind. And then I love this coffee table. It is so cool. It is super oversized. The woodworking is just stunning. And there's big drawers on both sides. So I'm gonna go to the house and kind of look and brainstorm, but super cool pieces in here. Definitely gonna be frequenting the shop. So we found this cool piece of artwork that we think might look really cool in the dining room once we do what we want to it. It's a canvas with like plaster art, but I think that is
That's
really
awesome.
cool. Do you get it framed or no?
No, you just put it raw on a dark colored wall. It
Really?
pops so well.
You wouldn't
It'd
do
just
like
be
a
white
natural
square.
wood.
You probably could, but I think it would be more of a statement.
We could always hang it up and then if you decide.
Like if this wall was like one of those color of the year, really rich colors,
Right.
with, it'd be great.
I think that's really
And
pretty.
you just do a light on it, a single light from the ceiling.
I think it's cool. I like that it's different, but it's in the tones I like, but it's like nature that you like.
Yeah, no, I love stuff like this. It's exceptionally cool.
We'll keep that in mind. No joke, this place keeps going on and on. I am very, very impressed with this. And the cool thing about Vero is there are a ton of consignment vintage stores, furniture stores, and then you have like all your classic furniture stores like an hour away-ish, you know, like Art House, Restoration, all that. But I'm really excited about all these antiques. Like, look how cool all these copper pieces are.
And this whole place is awesome.
I was pretty proud of what we were able to do in our house in Hawaii, being that literally we just had Target and TJ Maxx to work with. But now we have like this, like cool pieces, cool unique pieces that we found together, which is just awesome. So we just stepped inside the house. The previous owners are here just finishing cleaning out everything, and the cleaner is here cleaning. So we just brought in our paint samples to look at it in this light. But yeah, it's happening. Like, house is clean and empty. Paint colors are being picked. We're doing it, guys. Yay! We're hitting up another vintage store. Oh yeah. Hello, how are you? It's kind of a cool table.
It is pretty. Got one. I feel like I'm on one of those shows.
Got it. Yeah, he found another piece for his office. We're definitely in the nautical pirate theme, aren't we?
I have been my whole life.
Yeah. Just a furniture shopping kind of day. We are at another, is this an outlet or just a store? So, I don't know where we are. Sandy's Furniture?
Vero Beach.
We're in Vero Beach. We're off to a good start. So we are just continuing glancing, see if we find anything else. Okay, so we didn't have as much luck at the last store, so we're checking out another consignment store. So we may have found a really cool antique piece at a really great price. It is this buffet sideboard, and I really like the color, and it's just really, really unique. So we're trying to find more information, and then I'm going to take measurements, and we'll check it out when we get to the house tomorrow.
This is the piece she's looking at for the dining room.
62. So we may have found our TV stand.
This is
It's really cool. I was wanting something a little darker, but we walked in and really liked this piece, and it's huge. It's 102 inches, which is going to be great on that wall. So do you guys want to know the real reason as to why I moved to Vero? I'm just kidding. But there is a Restoration Hardware outlet. So we're going to go check that out before we pull the trigger on that long table console TV. Just to see what they have here, because that was like the first piece we found.
That one says sells babies and children.
They sell babies and children. No. There are a lot of really cool pieces here. A lot of cabinets, a lot of kitchen tables, a lot of dining chairs. So now that I kind of see what they have, mind you, they do get new shipments, I think twice a week. But it gives me a good idea when I get into the house tomorrow, like to measure and what to look for. Now that I kind of know it's here, I can kind of go, oh yeah, that'll look great. But we'll see. Good morning, Miss Maple. Are you in downtown Vero about to get coffee?
The old plaza. That's the old furniture building.
That's where we found some stuff yesterday. But good morning. Good morning, baby girl. I know. So today is a very big day. Today is the day that we actually pick up the keys to our house. We picked that up around 3, so we are out shopping. We just found a piece of furniture for his man cave, which is awesome. Yeah, big couch, reclining chairs, really nice. And now we're stopping at Home Goods. We're kind of trying to get some ideas, do some groundwork before we actually get in there. Looking at rugs and trying to kill time before we get the keys. We're very excited. All right, let's look at some other rugs and furniture. Oh, that's very tan. It's too tan. Okay. I'm getting an ab workout.
I'm just trying to figure out which of these Maple can pee on and not completely ruin. Sorry about getting a new dog, babe.
Yeah. Perfect timing.
That's okay. She's being on my carpet, so don't
Yeah.
worry about it. By the time she gets to your house, she'll be all out of it.
That's my only one I like, and I don't even like it. So
Nope.
we're good on rugs. Moving on.
Are you guys busy?
No. The house is ready?
The house is ready. I'm coming to get you now.
I just hear we got couches for free.
We got free couches and the house is ready.
Yes, I love that.
All right, you ready to get a new house, Maple? Or your first house ever?
We brought you a house.
With a huge yard. We got you a new house, bud. And we're gonna build you another garden, okay?
You want peas?
Yeah, that's
Or
right.
strawberries?
Peas?
Peas?
Snap peas?
Yeah, I'm ready to go
Alright,
get our
let's do it.
keys. Yeah, I think it's about time. I think 3 months. 4 months. 4 months.
4 months?
4 months since we started this process. It was February 27th that we put in our offer.
This is from who?
All right, so this is from the seller. She says it's all yours. That was an emotional leave, but thankful it is in good hands. And that was it. But I know the feeling because Sawyer and I like bawled our eyes out when we left Hawaii. Like bawled our eyes out when we left our house. So
Yeah, that
I
was
can
in
only
the
imagine.
that was in
That
the
was-
beginning of the last
Yeah.
video.
And she loved this house, so I can only imagine how she feels. Well, we do know how she feels. Okay, that's it. It's ours now.
It's cute.
Yeah.
Wow. That's ours, babe. Look,
I see it.
Right
I
over there.
see it. Oh my gosh.
Across
we have
the
a
park.
cute house.
You need to carry her over the threshold.
I will. Fair
really
enough.
going to?
Yeah, sure, why
Oh,
not?
why not?
That's our tree.
Here's Sawyer's key. Here's Angelique's key. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Come on. And welcome home.
This is our house. This is just crazy because like our home in Hawaii was special, but this feels like a grown-up house, you
Yeah,
know?
this feels like something my parents would have had.
Yeah, this is where we're gonna raise our kids, and that is something. Come hither.
Wow, your dining room's a lot bigger than I thought.
I put my purse on a counter for the first time.
It's your new kitchen?
Yeah, this is my kitchen. We have an island, and we have like counters, like a lot more space. It's different type of space. Yeah, it's a different setup, which is
And
cool.
my snacks.
Yeah, we have a pantry.
It's turned into a
Yeah.
quick tour now. I don't think we're gonna do like a tour. I don't know.
I'm gonna do one on my channel if you guys want to see like an empty house for.
Unpacking, painting stuff. Andre just saw how big the sink is. Yeah, I know. You can do all your cleanings now.
Look, this is nice. See?
Look.
Look. All this space.
Everyone that had ever commented, why is your laundry room outside? Why don't you go ahead and show me your laundry room? Magic.
First of all, look how much light you get if you lift the blinds.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, so we had an outdoor laundry room, which, you know, that was just what happened. But look now. Now we have a laundry room with cabinets and storage and a sink and a door to the garage. Did you hear what I just said?
Yeah. Which is also called my man
Yeah,
cave
man
movie
cave.
theater
But what I
room.
meant is,
Your laundry room also has a ceiling and wall.
yeah, it has 4 walls and a door and air conditioning.
Yeah.
Is stuff normal? Is that a Florida thing?
Sand under
Yeah.
the soil?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Florida thing. We've got a ton of lumber because unfortunately we are fencing the entire house.
Yeah, we're fencing. We're closing in the perimeter,
which
obviously for Miss Maple and Mr. Ollie Pants.
It's
But-
it's an expense I did
Hold
not
on, but
see
your
coming.
girl couldn't just put up a fence.
Had to be a custom wood
It had to be a
fence.
custom fence because the previous owners had started a project that I really loved.
And it couldn't be like a slatted fence.
had to
It had to be a full wood fence when wood is the most expensive it's ever been. But I love you.
but I'm
It's
not-
okay. It's all
I'm
right.
not sorry because it's gonna look good.
It is gonna
It's
look
gonna be
good.
done right and it's gonna look good. Oh, that's my point that I was gonna make though, is I think our last house, it was like our first attempt, but this house, we're gonna take our time, we're gonna do it right and really create something cool here. Like the pieces that we already found are like antique and unique and just, I don't know. We're just gonna, I don't know. I'm excited.
She's excited.
I'm excited.
We're-
I cannot wait.
I can't wait to see what you can do either.
Me neither.
You did a lot with Target.
I was pretty impressed with myself, and
They should
now
have
I'm like,
sponsored you a long time ago.
we'll talk soon, Target. We'll get there. I am determined to get as much light in a home as
It looks
Right?
really white on camera already, and the walls aren't even white.
Yeah, we have a
We're repainting the whole house.
repainting the whole
Yeah.
house.
So
You know me, guys. I like white and bright, and
Nothing easy with this one.
I'm sorry. But the thing is, that they did hurricane windows, which is an absolute blessing, so we will not have to board up our house. But they're tinted, which is not a problem. It's really great, but I wanted as much natural light, so we're going to paint the walls Alabaster by Sherwin-Williams, because they already started with that as the ceiling and the, what's the word? Trim. So that's what we're gonna do, and it'll add even more light. So fun getting to learn a new house.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We found this really awesome piece yesterday for the TV to go on, but it's 102 inches long.
Big console table that is really pretty. Kind of blends the whole traditional with nautical look really well.
They were only holding it for 40 more minutes, so we have to decide right now. It's big, but it's awesome.
Honestly, I might fudge it a little this way. Even though this is center,
Yeah.
they fudge their TV.
Yeah.
I only say that because if it's a piece of furniture comes here, it's really awkward to this piece. So I kind of say we go off based how they had their.
As long as you want it, let's buy it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay, there you go. You just made a big decision.
Buying our first piece of furniture for the new house. Hold it for like 24 hours and they close in like 10 minutes. But needless to say, we are now the proud owners of this beautiful console table.
It's a lot bigger than it looks. It's like 102 inches.
Yeah, it gives us a lot of storage. I just really like the look of it. I think it's a good blend of everything we're looking for.
Yeah, I love it.
It's a huge piece at a great price, which is nice. So that's ours. So we have been waiting 3 hours for our pod to arrive. I see it across the street. Let's go get our stuff. It's been like 3 months and our stuff is finally here.